1. Welcome back, guys. This is part number 3 in Introduction to Inventor Tutorials. Problem sheet number 1, part 3, notched block. So a lot of the introduction stuff we've done in parts 1 and 2 we're going to repeat here, but we're going to have a slightly different. Instead of cutting all the way through, we're going to cut to a set distance this time. So starting as per normal, go up to New, come down and select Metric, Standard Millimeters Part, Create. Now we have our blank screen. We're going to go back up to the top left hand corner, select and start a new sketch, select a plane, and we're going to select a XZ plane in this case. And our base shape again is a rectangle, so we're going to go and select the rectangle tool, coming back down, finding our origin, making sure it goes green, click and drag, and the measurements on our block are 30 by 50, so 30 tab 50, enter. Going up to our square block at the top here and clicking center, so we can see that it's 30 wide, 50 long. Finish our sketch. We're now going to go extrude, and our block is 20 millimeters high, so we need to type in 20, enter, and go back over to the top where our block here, find the corner, click on it and center our image. Now looking from our block, we need to rotate it a little bit because it is actually this corner here where we want to make the cutout. Now we can either take from this side here and go that way, or go from here that way, depending which way our measurements are. And it looks at this stage that it won't matter too much which way we go, so I'm going to choose to go this face here, new sketch. A cutout is a rectangular shape, so I'm going to go grab the rectangle tool again, come on down, we're going to find our top, locate our side, locate our corner, it goes green, make sure you get the green dot, click, open it, and in this case our square is a 10 tab 10, enter, finish sketch. So now we're going to extrude, and again we're going to come down to the cut function, which is the second function down, and this time we need to go 20 millimeters long. It's already preset at 20, so that's the correct distance, and we're going to go OK. And we've removed that notch out of the corner. Looks perfect to our drawing. So from this point we're going to save our drawing. So we're going to go back up to the big I button, come on down to Save As. I'm going to call it Part 3 Notched Block, and save. Alright, so we now have our notched block with our, so it's 30, 50, 20 high with a 10 by 10 block notched out of the side. Thank you guys, and in part 4, which is our next video tutorial, we're going to look at doing the shapes a slightly different way. So I look forward to seeing you then, guys. For now, bye.